Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer files from your old phone onto your new ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro. Do it. First go to the settings. Also make sure that your old phone is charged and unlocked. And in the settings on your new ASUS, go to settings, go to system, then go to phone clone, then click on get started. Then select whether this device is your new device or old device. Since I want to transfer files onto this device, I'm selecting new device. Then select whether your old device is Android or iPhone. I'm gonna select Android. Then it may ask you multiple times for some permissions, so you need to accept all of those so it will be able to just transfer everything. Then on your old phone, install the ASUS Phone Clone app. If you don't have it, you can click here to download, then it will display a QR code. Then on your phone, go to your camera app or Google Lens. So I'm gonna just open the Google Lens here, then scan the QR code and click on the link it displays. And now it has opened my Google Play. I can click on install to install ASUS Phone Clone. After it's installed, let's click on open. Then I'm gonna agree to ASUS Phone Clone. Then I'm gonna go to settings here and allow to write system settings, then go back. Then I'm gonna agree to location permission while using the app, also to take pictures and record video, to access my calendar, access phone call logs, contacts, find, connect and see nearby devices, notifications, make phone calls, send a view SMS. I need to accept all of that as well as I did on the ASUS phone. So on both it will be able to transfer everything. So here it asks me to allow access to manage all files, so I need to allow that as well. And now it is waiting for connection. And now you can see it shows me this notification, and if it shows the actual hotspot name, which is correct on both devices, then I can click on connect. Now let's click on next. Then select what to transfer. So here you can select all, or select certain things like images, third-party apps, files, videos, music, or anything. So I'm gonna just select all, then click on send. And now it is sending. You can see it will take about 2 minutes because I don't have much data on that phone. But if you have more, then it will for sure use way more time. And as you can see, I'm done here. So here I can click on done and I can exit the app. And here it will do a few things, I think. So yes, it is just installing the apps that were on my previous device, so they will be copied. And here you can see everything is done now, so I can click on done. And basically everything has been moved. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.